It's a no, dude. I'm telling you, those axle nuts. I mean, I want to be proven wrong.
I will laugh so hard if it just comes off instantly.
But when Jakey was doing
we're hoping
his,
it comes off instantly.
yeah, when Jakey was doing his,
Oh.
dude, if this comes off right away.
Oh! My dude's FaceTiming the boy right now.
No,
It's such a big deal.
No, because when Jacob, dude, I don't think, dude, he just took off the axle nut like first try.
Ow.
I was like, dude, he's not gonna get it off, and he literally just one rip, it comes right off.
That's what she said.
What the fuck? How do you do that?
I don't.
Like how long trying to get that?
I know, that's what I was telling him. I was like, hey, before we start this conversion,
I expect an
make
invoice.
sure.
My car's just built different.
The glove installation tutorial.
Yeah. I'm waiting for and then
Oh yeah.
oh yeah. Today's the day that you guys all have been waiting for. Right back here. They've been here all along. I got them like 2 months ago. They've just been kind of an Easter egg chilling in the back of my garage. But these 4 Johns are the 4 wheels that are going to be put onto my S14. At least for just driving around town and for showing off. Because when you do drift a car, you tend to have drift spares. Voila! Oh, we gotta make sure the center cap's up right. So this is my front work VS XX right there, and oh, that's just the start. You guys gotta see the rears. Woo! Big dish rear VS XX right there. So these are 17s. I forget the specs on the rear. I think these are either 11s or 11.5. So they're really deep and really girthy. The fronts are definitely a lot more weak, as you can tell by a lot less lip poking out. But we're gonna need that because of my crazy suspension that we have in the front. The wheels are definitely gonna poke out anyway, and we also have a lot of camber. You can even tell like the reflection of the lip is gonna be so much shinier than this like polished, like off matted kind of whatever. Yucky. Dang. Dang.
Damn.
12 Pro Max right there.
Could fit your whole puppy in there. This video is actually going to be a lot bigger of a process than just putting wheels on. Because as you can see right here, if you count with me, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That ain't gonna fit right away. So we have to do, as the 240 owners know, a 4-lug to 5-lug swap, swapping out the entire hub assembly, and so we can run the wheels right on there. Might want to lower the car. I don't know if we're gonna lower the car in this video. You guys just watch the whole video so you know you don't miss out, because we might slam the thing in this video, or it might be next video. You just gotta watch the whole thing to know. What was that? There goes the wing. That was my, it was only my carbon fiber wing.
The wing durability test.
Yeah, for real. Okay, we're gonna take all this stuff that's on the leaning car off of the leaning car.
Checking out the underneath.
That O2 is booger welded, bro.
Should we reveal all the secrets of the UltraMotive S14?
I don't think I could even run these wheels any longer, even if I had a choice. That is just straight cord right there. I mean, we could always just swap tires, but no, we must get rid of the Meisters at all costs. The car levitated!
What the car doing though?
The car levitated! Because my dumb brain doesn't know how to order jack stands. I ordered way bigger ones in the rear than what we have in the front. So it got that hot rod stance in the air right now. We also invested in the big boy DeWalt. So now we could get our, should be able to get our lugs off easy peasy. Oh, you brought your big boy DeWalt?
Oh, of course. Did you like one up me?
Look at that, I got one myself.
Oh, very nice.
Look at me getting tools.
I don't know, dude. I got the bigger battery though.
Whoa!
Yeah, I got the big.
Way more sustainability.
How many amps?
Dude, this is the 20 volt 9 amp
90
out.
amp. Oh, only got the 5.
Yeah, it's a flexible.
Damn. All right, well, you know what this means is that we could go all full Guido on this thing and take them all off at the same time. 2 DeWalts at once.
Boom.
this. So one of the reasons why I need as deep of rear wheels as I do is because of how thick this freaking spacer that I had on needed to be on the car before. You know, it's funny, I thought I saw the thickest spacer in the world when I first picked up my Z, but they just keep getting bigger. Dang, now we could have an even double thicker spacer.
Yeah, now this is on one side and none on the other side.
Yeah, so the collection. Guys, comment down below. Meisters or VSXXs?
For sale.
Yeah, if you're interested in my Meisters. When you're doing a 5-lug, you also need to swap out not only the hubs but also your brake rotors, because your rotors have the holes that go into the studs. So you're gonna need one that has 5 of them once we're doing 5 studs. And right here is a new rotor. This is actually an R32 GTR rotor, as well as we're going to be doing R32 GTR front calipers. Only in the front of the car. The rear we're gonna keep S14. If you guys don't believe me that they are R32 calipers, well, you can see for yourself right there. This is the previous S14 rotor, and this is an R32 GTR rotor. It's honestly, they look similar on camera, but in person, the GTR is massively larger.
Yeah, even the height.
Yeah, holy
The
cow.
thickness, I mean.
Girthier too. Okay, let's get this
Jack, what are you
GTR
talking about?
on here. Just the rotor. Christian and I are just having a little fun over here, you know?
I mean, I saw Godzilla versus King Kong last week.
Oh, you watched Gorilla vs. Kong? Good lord.
That was quiet.
And just pops right out.
Yeah, I think that just pulls off, doesn't it? It's like it's just...
It should just pull off. Whoa!
Not enough traction.
The car is pulling Tom in. We gotta whip out the Master Pro grease.
Go back there, go back.
Whoa!
Lift me up, bud.
Whoa!
Whoa, whoa!
Whoa!
Yeah! Oh, hey! Hey, OnlyFans.
Underage viewers, look away. Look away right now.
Jack Ultra fans, what up?
Whoa! Oh, on the shaft now too.
You gotta blur this out, bud.
Yeah.
I'm putting it in.
Let's bring first.
Did you get new pads?
Yay!
Okay. I have new rear pads, not in the fronts, not for those.
These are a little...
On the GTR.
These are a little worn. Like,
Yeah.
almost all the way. See this little thing? That thing's usually like...
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's usually like there's a big kind of cave in there.
So, like... Are those pads good?
We just completely take apart the R32. Sacrifice one for the other, you know.
The whole point.
This is
Where's that
is
lube?
the new youngster. It gets all the good goodies now.
You're just stuck.
You just trying to get the rear dust shield?
No, I'm just trying to get your rotor off.
Oh, the rotor off too?
Sorry.
What the hell?
Yeah.
I said you're right. You should be happy.
Well, I guess no one else out there is really gonna desire 4-lug rear S14 rotors, and we are putting on new rotors, so time to make some music. Yeah, it did it. Did it even damage the rotor?
You got a little dent here and there.
Oh yeah, just a little bit.
Not bad for the Audi man.
Alright, let's go do some track discus right now.
Right into the Toyota.
Traction.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh shit. On this side again?
Oh! And it's all still good, right?
I think so.
Dude,
There you go.
God's weapon. There's a reason why Thor is God. The hammer. Does that mean we gotta do it to the other side too?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What's up, you good? Right away.
Yo, what's the dog doing though?
We are. Yeah.
They just wanted to peep the S14. See our progress report. I guess just things in my neighborhood. A dog can just randomly walk up out of nowhere.
Using to listen to me. Ruffle. Come here. Come here, you sausage.
Man, we having car problems. He having dog problems right now. Oh, that is so much more aggressive than before. I almost wish the calipers weren't black, because you would notice that a lot more. Oh. Okay, that's, oh, it's coming off. It's coming off. It's out. Woo! About dang time. Yeah. So, after a long night with a couple of setbacks, what is in front of me is finally my S14 with the Work VSXX wheels that we finally have on the car. Hopefully y'all didn't skip to this point in the video and y'all actually watched the whole thing. If you guys did that, props to you. But I won't hold it any further. Here we are. You guys know I had to slap on the student driver magnet right there. Student drifter in progress. But here is the rig, here is the setup. 17 by 11 in the rear and 17 by 9.5 in the front. Negative offset in the rear and 0 offset in the front. And I mean, this thing, this thing looks freaking insane. We even got some fellow spectators over here. They gotta go peep the rig. This thing looks so wild right now. I am not ashamed in any way to admit that we are going full HOTBOI on this S14 with the clear tails and the deep dish wheels. This is my style on how I want to do this drift car. I want to do it in the style of the guys in Japan, how they drift completely slammed on the ground with crazy wheels and crazy setups. And if you guys don't like that, well, I don't know what to say. We've spent a lot of time on the car. They're really sick wheels, but the problem is that I don't know if they will actually work on the car. So far driving it around, it does rub a lot. It rubs in the rear. Now the rear is less of an issue because the rear currently has no camber, and I was gonna get aftermarket arms and camber in the rears a little bit more, and that should maybe tuck into my fender and we should be good. But yeah, the rears are really aggressive, super deep, and the fronts I'm actually even more concerned about because of the crazy angle kit that my car came with. That's why these fronts stick out way more than normal fronts, and that's why we have so much camber in the front right now. And even with all this camber, the tires are still hitting the top and hitting over here when I completely lock and completely turn. So right now, it's not looking good on if these wheels can actually be runnable on this car. Right now, it's looking like if I am gonna run them, they're gonna at least be a show setup wheel, and I'm gonna have to get thinner, more drift function wheels when I'm actually gonna go out to the track. Because don't get me wrong, I absolutely love these wheels, and we've gone through so much work just now to get them on, but the fact that it's really making the car undrivable right now sucks. And I'd rather have the car drive properly than hearing it rub everywhere and also completely damaging my kit. So I guess stay tuned. We'll see what other setups are gonna happen for this car, but right now just enjoy this look. Hey! One Nissan rig, another Nissan rig. And we're both on Work VS wheels. He's on the KFs, right up in the front. I think we got same steering wheels as well. DNDs. Awesome color. I say we go end the video off with a car wash.
Yeah.
Dude, yeah.
No, next speedrun's gonna be pulling an SR.
Yeah, you know, great one.
SR to 1J swap speedrun.
Oh!